What's up, people? I'm in Dubai, as you can see. This is the mall that we've been going to for the last couple of days. It's the area. We've also been to the Dubai Mall. That thing is huge as hell. I think we're going there right now. The point is this: if we lose the ball, we need to work on our ability to still dribble through contact. Guys, when we're going to the basket, we might get hit. We still need to be able to finish. When we're stepping back and shooting a jump shot, we might get hit, but we should still be able to finish. When we're actually driving to the basket, if somebody's driving behind you trying to push us off, you should be able to get to the basket and still finish. That's what it's all about. So this situation that we're putting you in right now is going to make you the athlete in control of your body. This is what international trainers do. They're just in Adidas all the time, trying to buy stuff. I'm in love with that shirt. Think about it.
This is for football.
I know.
Soccer?
I mean, I respect soccer.
This is MC Munich.
It's dope, though. Look at it.
Bayern Munich. Then get it.
What's it looking like?
Oh.
What's it looking like? Flashy?
Oh.
Looking flashy?
That's nice.
Looking flashy?
Yeah.
How does it look?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. Represent.
You wrap it?
Represent.
You guys can wrap it?
Turn around.
Hey.
Okay. Okay.
Representing?
Okay.
Okay. We're getting it. Buying right now.
I need 30 change, please. Your name is Pratik. Yeah. From where you are? India.
I totally hope you guys don't mind if I'm filming you. I'm from America, so Adidas keeps it classy and cool.
This is Adidas, get the logo.
I already did. I got her too, putting in that work over there.
What's going on YouTube?
It's going on everything. Everything.
YouTube, websites. Good promotion. Yeah.
I'm low, I'm balanced. I'm gonna hold the ball out with my right hand. He's gonna hold the ball out with his right hand. When we drop, listen up, this is important. When we drop, it's one bounce and we have to explode by dropping our feet like that.
Joshua.
Drop quick. Then we turn around, we're doing that same thing, nice and low, ready? Yep. Drop quick. What do we just do?
We just spend money.
Why?
Because we have money. No. Like we're not gonna get this to the kids, right? We just gotta say that whatever is essential, we should buy it. Whatever we need, not we want.
Correct.
This is it. This is how we spend our lives.
Absolutely.
Because this is hard to get. We gotta work for it.
Yeah, that's my money.
Yeah, take it.
Hotel living travels the world. Arcadia is the hotel.
We should probably pick it up because this guy was charging us more.
Back already. Yo, right now we're headed to the beach. I don't know if you can see Abin as the taxi driver. It's pretty cool. To be honest with you, I have no idea where I am. Every place that I've ever been to so far when it comes to Dubai has completely left me clueless, okay? So, I don't know where we're going. I think, where are we going to the beach?
Marina.
CBJ. All right. I don't know what any of that means. Everything's an abbreviation here. I don't understand what that means, but we're headed there, and I'm excited. We're actually getting ready to leave today, but you guys wouldn't know that, so you guys shouldn't know that anyways. But we're about to have a blast. Stay tuned. I'm low and relaxed. Always floating, back down, cross. 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 I'm always making sure when I float, I'm getting that ball to my hip, pound, cross high.
Yo, we're at Burj Al Arab right now, next to the beach. You can see the beach over there. And we are leaving.
Yo, so we're at the beach right now. We're about to walk into some dudes. My bad, fellas. We're at the beach right now. We're trying to get to the airport. We wanted to come to the beach. I'm in pants, as you can see, and that's an issue because it is hot out here. It's like 80 degrees outside. I don't know what that is for whatever these people understand, but listen to me. 80 degrees and I'm in pants. I'm from Vermont. It is cold. It is cold in Vermont. I'm not used to this type of weather. It's nice, but are you kidding me? It's extremely hot out here, and I'm telling you people, this is what I don't understand. They consider this isn't even summer. Do the math on that. This isn't even summer. It's not even summer here. Summers, they say, it gets to like 120 degrees. gonna get some king coconut. I don't really like coconut, but we're gonna. Yeah, my man's putting in that work with the coconut. Coconut, coconut, come here, coconut, coconut, coconut. Yeah, look at that.
Hello, man. How are
How
you?
you doing, bro? You don't
All
mind
good?
being filmed. It's for a documentary, so. Yo, we're trying to have one of these, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
We want one. How much for one?
20.
20? Give us one.
This one?
Here's this one.
Yeah, all we need is one, man.
Cream inside you eat. Like this one. It's like cream inside you eat. If you finish drinking, you can drink like that. And there's something you eat inside.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. This is what we deal with in Lebanon.
Look at me when you're cutting that. Oh man.
This is how the pros do it.
Very nice. Very
Professional.
Very nice.
Professional.
Real coconut. Let me try it. Right here.
In this world, and defense will block that shot every time. A really good defender will block a shot coming from your hip every single time. Now Curry is just the exception. Okay, he is just the exception to that rule. Correct. He's so used to it, and so many coaches probably were like, you know what, we don't even need to worry about it.
As you can see, we're headed to the airport. Again, we're in a taxi. We're about to take off. We'll see you guys at the airport. Yo, so we're at the airport. As you can see, we're leaving Dubai. It's been fun. The camps went well, and so that's cool. We had about 12 in the first group, and I think 12 or 13 in the second group, so it was all right. I'm excited to go back home, though. We're flying to Lebanon first, and my flight to the USA leaves at 2 a.m. I know you need to get done. So damn good with the camera. Say what's up to the people. We're waiting to get our tickets for him to head home. I'm tired. Are you camera shy? Are you camera shy? Can we turn the camera your way?
Can we videotape the whole thing?
Some last minute purchases, as you can see. We're looking at some watches. Get that watch. Oh yeah, you got that. That's a pretty watch, right?
It's not the watch.
That's a pretty watch. I'm pretty sure you didn't even see it. Last minute purchase. Oh yeah, look at that. Yes, absolutely. Thank you. She comes with the watch, everybody. She comes with the watch.
International basketball skills trainer. This is what we do. This is what we do. Look at this. This is what we do. What we do. Bye bye Dubai.